Football season's here. Join us on Auburn Unleashed. I'm Adam Clayton.
I'm Jim Patton.
And we're going to be having great Auburn guests and going over football season, I guess, a review.
Yeah, we'll be reviewing the games, having guests, probably do some from the Letterman Club right there at the stadium. We hope y'all all listen to our podcast.
And also from the Over the Mountain Touchdown Club. So hope you can join us. Join us on iTunes or your favorite podcasting app.
This is the morning edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Wednesday, September 25th. I'm James Spann. Still some rain falling in spots this morning, but drier air begins to move in here this afternoon. Let's go to some of the Skycam shots around the network. These were captured at about 5 o'clock. That's the Tuscaloosa Skycam. They picked up about a half inch of rain yesterday. They are dry at that moment. There's a look at downtown Jasper. The sky's cloudy, but no rain there. And up in Cullman, a touch of light fog right before the sun was about to come up. Nice upper trough is passing through here this morning, and a big system moving into the Pacific Northwest. That'll bring the first major snow of the season to parts of the northern mountains out there. There's a peek at the radar. That was shortly after 5 o'clock at 5:02. Light to moderate rain from near Uniontown and Selma up through Clanton, Alabaster, Harpersville, Chelsea, Childersburg, and up to Anniston. And that rain is moving northeast, and again with time that will gradually shift east, and a pretty good chance by afternoon most of the showers will be over in Georgia. Starting off the day with mostly 60s on the board, Birmingham at 67. Some fog problems west and north of here, parts of Mississippi with a dense fog advisory, a flash flood watch for much of central Florida. And look at that winter storm warning, the first big snow of the season for some of the mountains of Idaho, Montana, and Wyoming. Slight risk of severe weather in advance of that push of cold air back in the northern plains for parts of North Dakota. And the rain for the next 5 days, not a lot. This is valid through Monday morning, and this is showing a little bit here, and that's basically what we get this morning. And beyond that, we'll be dry for a while. Tropics, still very quiet. Wow, nothing happening out there at all. So let's take a look at modeling. This is the GFS. The global forecast system, valid at 1 o'clock local time this afternoon. You see the trough swinging through the southeastern states and that big monster trough back in the northwest. Down below that, a broad surface low down around Dothan. But a reasonable chance by this afternoon, the bulk of the rain east of here. In fact, here's the high-res NAM. 1 o'clock this afternoon, suggesting maybe a few lingering showers east of I-65, but the western side of the state is dry. And those lingering showers should be out of here pretty quickly. And tomorrow, dry air takes over. Should be a sunny day with a high somewhere between 80 and 84. Pretty much the same deal on Friday. Gorgeous weather, lots of sun with low to mid-80s. No rain for high school football games this week. There's Saturday as we start the weekend. No rain for the college games in the state. Really nice weather with a high in the low 80s. Early morning lows around 60. Some of the cooler pockets could be in the 50s. And there's Sunday. We stayed dry, although we note that front north of us nearing Memphis. And this run a little faster with that, suggesting maybe some risk of a shower late in the day over northwest Alabama. But look at Sunday night. The showers just vanish. That's Sunday night just after midnight, and this is Monday of next week. A dying stalled front, so I guess you might mention a slight chance of a shower, but only a very small risk. There's Tuesday, pretty much the same deal, just a very small chance of a shower. And Wednesday, an upper high shows up around Memphis. Down below that, the day looks mostly dry with a high in the 80s as we are into early October at that point. Go out there a few more days. This is Saturday, October 5th. Look at that trough. Suggesting wet, colder weather coming in here. You know, we've seen very good consistency in this idea around this time frame. And then at the end of the forecast on the 10th of October, just as quiet as a mouse. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock today. If you can, catch us on ABC 3340 News this evening on the live stream of the television side at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.